Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn with me 2525. In today's video we are going to explore the VLOOKUP function in Excel. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. First, we need to know what is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It's a function that searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from another column. So we have this table containing employee ID, name, department, salary, and we need to find Charlie's salary. So we have here the name, specific name like Charlie, and here we will write down our formula. Equal VLOOKUP, press tab, and then lookup value. We need Charlie salary. That's our lookup value. So we will select cell H7, comma. Table are the range of the cells that contain the data, comma, the column number in table from which to retrieve the value. So in this example, we need the salary, which is in the third column in our array. 1, 2, 3, and then press comma and write down 0 for exact match and close bracket and enter. And here we have it, Charlie's salary $70,000. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive more video tutorial about Excel and Word every week. Thank you.